Hey guys, Simon Davis here, also known as Zone Trader. Thanks for tuning into the Trader's Zone to speed up your learning in trading. Today we're going to be covering how to trade the market. So, best thing to do is to draw lines like this to plot the break. So we get in here on the bounce. Boom, there's an entry. This is on the hourly time frame on Great Britain USD. And then pull this one out here. Boom, there's another entry. And then this one is even better. Connect that to there. You see them two connected, that one connecting. Boom, there's your entry. Brilliant. Now I'm just kidding. Today we're going to be covering order blocks. Okay guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Now we're not going to be covering trend line breaks today. Retail mindset. We're going to be covering stuff a lot easier than that. But first of all, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below anything that you enjoy in the video today. That'll be very much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, so order blocks. We're on the 1 hour time frame for Great Britain USD. What is an order block? Well, it's an order and it's a block. It's a block of orders in the market. Okay, so bullish order blocks are down candles and bearish order blocks are up candles. So here, the last candle before the fast down move on the hour, this is an amazing order block because it's such a fast move. It's created a void as well. So we've got the last candle before the fast down move. When price comes back into it, that's your bearish order block, and you enter on the return of the order block. Yeah, for this one it takes a while. You can also buy order blocks on the way up. So from here to here, if we look at the last down candle before the fast up move, that's your order block. You wait for the return, because basically people get enticed to buy into this fast move. Retail minded people get enticed to buy into this fast move, and it'll come down, take the stops out, and then rally in the right direction. So institutional traders are actually buying in these last down candles. So we have a bearish order block and bullish order block. Let's find some more. Let's go back a bit. Obviously in a bullish trend you try and find bullish order blocks, and if in a bearish trend you try and find bearish order blocks. So going from here, you would mark this one off. Didn't get returned to, that's okay. You see a fast move that rallies away from this one, you mark this one off. When price comes back into it, you buy. And it's as simple as that. And this is on the hourly time frame, and if you want a more precision entry, you always drop down to lower time frames. So we're catching them. We can, if it's in consolidation or we see a bearish order block, we can trade into that. This one, yeah, is an order block, but it fires straight through because we're in a bullish momentum. And there's other ways to not get taken out by these order blocks on both sides of the market by using something that we use here at the Pro Traders Price Action course, the Forex Mastery course. So if you want to learn how to never ever get taken out by order blocks, again, like pretty much 9 out of 10 times order blocks will come to fruition for you and you won't get burnt out by these ones that don't work, then reach out to Zone Trader on Instagram and ask him how you can get the course. So this is the last down candle before the fast up move. Boom, we're waiting a few hours, so it requires a bit of patience, because that's like literally the holy grail of trading is patience and following your rules. If you follow your rules, you'll be safe trading the markets. Obviously there's risk in the market, but if you follow your rules, you will lower the risk, because the major part of trading, I always say on every single video to drum it into mind, because we learn through repetition, and that's what we do here as well. Every single week we go on a live call and with our students, and pretty much you have every single week a live call for either Forex or Nasdaq, so you can have all your questions answered, and literally like having a live mentor by your side. each and every week, and it's a one-time fee to become a part of our trading community, our trading family here at Forex and Nasdaq Mastery Live. So order blocks, it's very simple and easy. Just best thing to do is go back in your chart and back test them. You would be drawing this one out, fires away, didn't get a return, that's okay, and then you look for others. So the best ones are the fastest move away. So this one is okay, it's not the best, but it's a working one. Then this one here, the last down candle before the fast up move, price returns, you see it respects the candle, and this is what people in retail would call support and resistance, but it's actually an order block, a bullish order block, an ICT bullish order block. Again, the fast candle, the fast move away from the down candle, boom, return, again an order block on the upside, and you just keep looking for them on the down moves of every swing on a bullish momentum, and that's how you can profit from trading. Also, we teach how to profit from trading in the course with moves like this as well, which is powerful, very powerful, simple, easy to see. And if an order block is then broken, so this order block here is broken, it becomes a breaker, which we're going to talk about in the next Trader's Zone here on YouTube. Thanks very much for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate your time. If you want to take your trading skills to the next level in either Forex or tame the beast of Nasdaq, our students are absolutely crushing Nasdaq. There's room on the team, guys. Reach out to Zone Trader Simon Davis on Instagram, and we'll plug you in, and you'll be profiting 1,000 pips a day on Nasdaq in no time. Until next time, bye for now.